Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off rise to listing in Telegram. So first you're able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you should have something like this on your screen, which is the chat list. Then after that, then you click on the settings icon, then you click on data and storage, then you scroll down a little, then you find a particular option which is rise to listing. Actually, rise to listing is an option that allow you to quickly listen to or reply to incoming audio messages by raising the phones to your ear. So if you want to do that, if you don't want this particular option, you can just simply turn it off on your Telegram account. Once you turn it off, then once you quickly raise your phone up, your message will not be quickly listened to. You have to take the normal procedure, which is simply tap on it, then you can listen to it all by yourself instead of using the automatic process, which is right to listing. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.